Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today is day 15 on our Daniel fast, and today we are going to have something awesome and sumptuous. But before then, we are going to look at our Bible verses and our quote for day 15. Okay, so our Bible verses are Esther 3, Psalm 143, and Psalm 144. Okay, so let's look at our quote for today, and it reads, letting go means to come to the realization that some people are a part of your history but not a part of your destiny, by Steve Maraboli, quoted in the book Hope Through the Dark, written by Samuel Pepim. Get a book and you're going to love every bit of it. Okay, so day 15, we are going to have a bowl of salad. Yes, with soya milk. So before we get to the recipe, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. So we are going to make use of avocado, cucumber, onion, tomatoes, and we'll also add lettuce to it. Yes, and so what you are doing is you are going to take the seeds from the cucumber. Yes, we are preparing our vegetables, taking the seeds from the cucumber, the tomatoes, and then take the onions, also the shells and all that. Yes, and then we are going to chop them or slice them based on the shapes and the sizes that you want. After this, I'll wash it again, but I did it off camera. Yes, and I washed it with salt solution. You can also use vinegar to wash it. So we are going to work on our lettuce also. So I'll just be taking the hard part and I just need the leaves. Yes. And after this, I'll wash it the second time, and that was done off camera. So we are done slicing and chopping our veggies, and we are just going to set it up for eating. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to add my salad dressing. That is my tahini salad dressing to it. I have a video on how to make the salad dressing. It's Daniel Fast compliant. You can't use just any salad dressing on Daniel Fast. It must be organic, natural, no preservatives and no artificial thing here and there. And so check the description box for a link to how to make Daniel Fast salad dressings. I'm adding lemon juice to it. You can add the lemon juice before adding your salad dressing to it. Yes. And so this is it. I'm also serving with a cup of soya milk. no sugar, no honey, no sweetener. You can serve it with almond milk, coconut milk, any plant-based milk. It should be organic, not with preservatives and these additives here and there. No, it should be purely organic, better so homemade. And so this is it for day 15, our bowl of salad with our cup of soya milk. And so give it a try. You are going to love this. So if you're watching me and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. Like and share this video for me. Leave a comment. And when you pray, do say a word of prayer for me. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.